Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are in the world. I hope you're having an awesome day. My name's Craig, and some of you may know me from my sailing and travel lifestyle channel called Cruising Off Duty. In that channel, because I want to make it the best that it can possibly be, I buy a lot of tech, like the latest drones, the latest cameras, or the latest gimbals to keep your camera stable. And I'm an average guy. Believe me, I'm a working class guy. I don't have unlimited disposable income to blow on this, so I often find that I like to see reviews on the latest tech that I might be considering buying before I buy it, so I know if it's worth buying or worth passing on. Now on my other channel, I'd often do that. I'd be doing a vlog about traveling, but then I'd buy the latest drone and decide I better tell my viewers all about my latest drone. But that's not the right venue for it, is it? People who go there want to talk about sailing or traveling. They may have no interest at all in the latest camera or latest drone. That's why I've decided to start this separate channel, so every time I do, and I have a spending problem, buy the latest gear, I can do it on this channel. I can tell you all about it, how it's going to make filming for my other channel better, and whether it was worth the money or whether it wasn't worth the money. So hopefully you're interested in that if you come to this channel. Subscribe, many more videos are coming. I have a lot of tech I've already bought and I'll be able to do those after 3 months, what's it like? After 6 months, what's it like? After a year, do I still like it? Or talk about the latest gear that's about to come out. As soon as I get it, you'll know. So subscribe to this channel because there's a lot of good content coming up in the future. Until next time, catch you later.